I believe that virtual reality is going to change the world, not just for us as consumers, but us as an industry. Actually, what's interesting with virtual reality is that we're kind of reducing the distance between the real world and the imaginary world. And VR becomes this portal that takes us through that. So what is augmented reality? So if VR is turning your imagination into reality, augmented reality is kind of turning your reality into imagination. Already today, there are applications for brain-computer interface. So it's using the technology EEG that's been around measuring brainwaves for some time, but with AI and machine learning, it can essentially interpret those data to what it is that you want. A little bit closer to that, I do think that eye tracking is going to be a really breakthrough. When we interact with computers, today you're probably pointing and clicking at something, but very, very soon, within the next year, you'll be able to just look at something to select it or interact with it. We launched the first VR cloud streaming solution. So instead of connecting your PC, your VR to the PC, you connect it to your set-top box. And then all the applications are on a server up in the cloud. So you're kind of streaming the VR experience rather than running it on your PC. So what's happening now is that we in the early days, we had this sort of 360 video world, and then you have the gaming world. And as we move forward into this year, these two worlds are coming together. So you will have cinematic, photorealistic experiences, but they're interactive. They're not necessarily linear. It's like the Matrix when Neo sits in front of Morpheus with the red and the blue pill. You have to take the red pill and run down the rabbit hole and experience it.